Question is, should a woman be a sexual casualty for a man's psychological limitations? And the other issue in relation to sentencing, should the impact of the victim or the impact to the perpetrator be given a higher weighting or regard? And this is the debate happening in my mind after I read about the case of Paul James Donnelly. Paul is a 38-year-old man who raped a woman he met on Tinder and secretly filmed their sexual encounters, but he's been spared a custodial sentence after a judge cited his autism diagnosis and family circumstances in sentencing. Paul James Donnelly pleaded guilty to 1 count of sexual intercourse without consent and 2 counts of non-consensual distribution of intimate images, offences which were committed in September and October 2023. The ACT Supreme Court heard that Donnelly first met his victim through the dating app Tinder. The pair engaged in consensual sex on 2 occasions at a home in Watson in Canberra's north. During those encounters, Donnelly filmed intimate footage without the woman's knowledge or consent and later sent the videos to her. In October, the two checked into a hotel where consensual sex began before Donnelly forced himself on the victim, despite her saying it really hurt. The woman later told him she had not enjoyed the encounter, to which Donnelly apologised. In a victim impact statement read to court, the woman described experiencing flashbacks, fear in public spaces, and a profound loss of trust in men. And Justice David Mossop acknowledged the testimony, noting that these effects are commonly experienced by victims of sexual assault and are often long-term and pervasive. Justice Mossop also said Donnelly's autism spectrum disorder partly explained his behaviour, describing his actions as unthinking rather than predatory. He added that Donnelly's reduced ability to interpret social cues played a role in the offending. While acknowledging that secretly recording the encounters were degrading and objectified the victim, the judge said he did not believe Donnelly had sent the videos with any malign reason. The court also took into account Donnelly's family responsibilities. He's married with a 7-month-old child and 2 teenage children, as well as the challenges imprisonment would pose given his diagnosis. The judge said a custodial sentence would have been significantly more onerous in the circumstances. Donnelly's been fined $5,000 and placed on a 20-month intensive corrections order to be served in the community. He's also been ordered to complete 249 hours of community service. The judge said that Donnelly's prospects